What's going on, guys? My name's Bill and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys tools that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects just in and around my garage. The Milwaukee 4-in-1 installation driver. Guys, this thing is really starting to become like my go-to driver here in the garage. This thing, I recently used it on the LED fog light installation on the D100 here, and you got to go back and watch that video. You can really see this thing has got some torque behind it. This is a powerful little M12 driver that, for its size and compactness and lightweightness, this thing is super light, is really powerful. Now it's not an impact driver, it's just a standard drill driver. This thing is really impressive. What makes it kind of like really versatile and super useful on different projects are the interchangeable heads here. So you've got your normal little drill chuck, and then of course you've got your 1/4-inch drive quick connect, which I really like this. This is like the one that I mainly use on here just because it's super quick. You don't have to like unlock it to put your bit in. It just pops right into place and then you unlock it. Super convenient. Another thing the installation driver comes with is this 90-degree adapter, which is really nice because your chuck goes on the end of that. And now you can put that on your driver in a number of different positions. It's indexable. You're not stuck with just like having it like that or like that. You can index this thing in a number of different positions depending on what you need, where you're working, and the space that you have available. Super convenient on that 90-degree adapter. And the fourth bit that this comes with, which I think is kind of like the defining bit of this whole setup, is this offset head right here. This thing is a game changer when it comes to doing like shelves and cabinets and drawer slides and things like that. Normally, if you were going to try to install something, say you had a setup like this, where you're trying to put this screw as close to this face, maybe a wall, maybe the side of a cabinet, you will need to get that in there as close as you can, and all you had is your standard type of chuck, whether it be your 1/4-inch driver or your regular drill chuck. This thing, is over an inch away from this face. If you want to get that screw in there really close to this, you'd have to come in on an angle, and you may not want that. You may need that screw to be as close to that face as possible and still go in straight. That's where this offset head comes in. This thing gets you super close to that face. I mean, that's like 1/2 inch center to the face, maybe less, maybe a little bit more. And even if you do need to come in on an angle, you're only having to go that far, and instead of, that much. That gets you super close to that face. Let me show you. We get that on there, pop your bit in there. Now the bit is held in magnetically. There's no lock to it. It's just got a magnet in there. Get your screw on there. Now, unfortunately, the magnet isn't strong enough to help hold the screw on, so this might get a little awkward here. But let me get this in place here. So now you can drive that screw in. I'm not gonna be able to do this too much because I don't have this thing clamped down. Change your direction right here with a push button. So that would be to take it out. That'd be to put it in. And now I am right there against that face. I really should have prepped for this a little bit better, but I record a lot of these things kind of on the fly as I think about it. Sue me. But there you can see just how close you can get that screw to that face by using that offset head. Guys, the Milwaukee 4-in-1 installation driver If you're gonna pick up any kind of drill driver for use on just general home improvement projects, get this one right here. You don't need, you know, an M18 necessarily. This thing will get most of your general home repair, home improvement jobs done. Now, you're not gonna go out and like build a deck or put an addition on your house with this thing, but like I said, installing cabinets, hanging pictures, installing shelves, general home improvement DIY stuff, this thing honestly is probably more than enough. This will suit probably 90–95% of your needs around your house. I keep this one and I have a bag that I put together that has like all my quick grab home improvement or home repair tools in it. Instead of having to go fish for things, I can just grab that bag. This lives in there. And guys, this has been an absolute game changer on my honeydew projects around the house. Really appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, get back to work.